Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Evesham, or 10 miles east of Camden, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Evesham, Mount Laurel, Thorneys, Medford, Tabernacle, Shimone, Springdale, Warden State Forest, Atchison, Green Tree, Marlton, Leisure Town, Chatsworth, Randlewood, Medford Lakes, and Morristown, NOAA. This includes Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden.